This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Slide the safety catch to release the bonnet. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet stay from its clip. Engage the bonnet stay to prop the bonnet. To access the filter, undo the 4 bolts securing the cover to the air cleaner housing. The cover can now be lifted and the filter element removed. Clean the filter housing and cover, removing any dirt or debris using a cloth. A cylinder vacuum cleaner is also ideal for this. Position the new element in the filter housing and refit the filter cover. Tighten the 4 retaining screws securely and reconnect the wiring plug.